or maybe it's something else. We could actually look at like how trades are going, but this is going like basically straight to zero. So why don't I do this for yours? We'll do a much shorter time frame. We'll do this only for September, the month of September. This way we get a result much sooner, and we can actually take a look at those trades and see why this thing is losing like that. And then the weekly, there's the one with the VIX check. Let's see how this does. So far, off to a good start. I think I'm going to throw some money into this one, personally. I think I understand it well enough to throw some money in. So we'll watch this thing for a bit. But while this thing's going, I think I've seen enough for me to actually throw some money into this one. So even though we haven't ran a back test, I normally would say run a back test and then run it. But I think I understand the strategy well enough to say this is something that I would like to have my money in. So we're going to use version 7 that includes the VIX check. This is what it looks like. Get market data is VIX above 21. Yes, log, filter active, manage exits forced by VIX. Is current day Thursday. I hope it's not only selling on Thursdays. Manage exits forced by VIX. Okay, fine. So that makes sense. Okay, and then manage exits, take profit, stop loss time. Okay. Yeah, so Alan, let me share this strategy with you. For some reason, we don't have our... Oh, there it is. This is actually... Wow, holy crap. It's up a lot in September. Wow, maybe never mind. Holy shit, this thing's making a lot of money. It's just taking off in the month of September. Maybe there's something to this. It's definitely very volatile. The other one went like straight to zero. This one is just taking off. Holy crap. Yeah, but look at that. Big drop. Very volatile. It's very... I guess the problem is, I guess one issue with this is that it takes 95% of the account. I don't think we fixed that. It's still placing really big trades. I think that's one of the problems with this thing. So why don't I stop this? I'll edit the strategy. I'll tell it trade only with 10% of the account at a time, only 10% per trade. Okay, we'll make that fix because I think that's a very important thing to add to this one. And then I'll share it with you as well. Here is the link for you to play around with it. If you want to play with this strategy inside of BotSpot, there it is. I shared it. Hopefully you got that inside of YouTube.